Okay, so if I just change this to Comic Sans, and then just, no, it's, okay, that's Comic Sans. What? Recording? Hi, everyone. I'm not sure if my science teacher will add. This is a science project. That's all. I told him I didn't know how to do the audio, so I'm just doing this. Yeah, okay, this is for him, for his class. Let's do this. Okay, so weather forecasting by me. That used to be my name. I changed it. Yeah, you know, how do meteorologists forecast the weather? They show us where the storm will most likely be at that time. So that way you don't run into a bad storm or a tornado. I can't talk. What are weather station symbols? Weather symbols help us understand if it will be sunny, raining, or cloudy. What is a high-pressure system? This is a system that brings cool, dry air that normally bring fair weather and light winds. If looked from above, the winds spiral out high-pressure center in a clockwise rotation in the northern hemisphere. And these bring nice sunny skies and give us a big H for those meteorologists. What is a low-pressure system? A low-pressure system is mass air that warm and moist that normally brings storms with strong winds. When viewed from winds in a low-pressure system are different and go counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere. What is humidity? The water vapor that is in the air. What is relative humidity? Relative humidity is the amount of ratio in the water vapor, and our bodies do not like it because humans are sensitive to it. And if the air is at 100% relative humidity, sweat will not evaporate into the air. Our bodies get hot and sweat, so we can get back to our normal temperatures. What is air mass? Air mass is a very big body of air that can be at any height with humidity air. Air mass can cover many places, hundreds of miles. It can last for a long time, sometimes days to even months. But they stop at these things called fronts. There are 4 different fronts. What is a front? This is a stationary front, if I'm correct. A front is a boundary in different types of air mass, ending up in a stormy type of weather. And the front normally has separations of cold and warm air. How do you identify a front weather map or your own weather observations? Look for temperatures that change over time over a tiny amount of space and moisture contain. I don't know. And very fast shifts in the wind, changing and different pressure in the air, as well as cloud and precipitation patterns changing. What is a cold front? A cold front has a boundary in 2 different air masses, one of them being cold and the other warm. A cold front is represented as a blue line with teeth pointed towards its direction. What is a warm front? Like the cold front, the warm front also has 2 boundaries. One cool and one warm. The warmer air gets rid of the cold air, while the cold air, or cold front, is blue with teeth point in the direction it's going. A warm front has circles to show where it's going. What is a stationary front? A stationary is a group of two cool air masses that don't really move, but some can go back and forth for many miles a day. This stationary front is represented by a warm and cold stationary front symbol. What is an occlude? That's how I'm going to say it. This front is a mixture of two fronts that can form when a cold takes over a warm front. A occlude is represented by a hash mark. I don't have hash marks on here. Dang it. Should have added those. This is on a weather map. What is a trout? Trout. Yeah, trout. This is on a weather map and is a line area of low pressure. This brings cloudy and rainy weather, and this is represented by a hash mark line. What is a weather satellite? A weather satellite, this is used to see the weather from space and climate change. They can be polar switches every 12 hours, or geostationary, staying in one spot. This machine can spin as fast as the Earth can go. And these can see more than clouds, fire, and city lights and all of that stuff that affects pollution. These collect types of weather in different environments and collect data using weather satellites. Oh, no.